In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Miro account. Miro is an innovative online collaborative whiteboard platform designed for team collaboration. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Miro and press enter. The search results should display Miro's official website, usually one of the top links. Click on the link to Miro's homepage. Once you're on the Miro website, look for the Sign Up Free button. This is typically prominently displayed on their homepage since they want to give you easy access to start using their tools. Go ahead and click on that Sign Up Free button, and this will redirect you to a page with several options for creating your account. For this tutorial, we'll use the Sign Up with Google option, which simplifies the process significantly since it connects directly with your Google account, saving you from having to remember more passwords or fill out additional forms. So, find and click the Google option. When prompted, select the Google account you want to link with Miro. If you're already logged into multiple Google accounts, a list will appear for you to choose from. Select the account you wish to use for your Miro account and follow through with the login if needed. This step is crucial because it ensures your Miro account is secured using your existing Google credentials, making it both convenient and secure. After selecting your account and completing any required sign-in processes, click on Continue to move forward. You'll then be redirected to a page titled Tell Us About Your Team. This is Miro's way of tailoring your experience based on how you plan to use the platform, whether for personal projects, business purposes, or something else. For this example, let's choose Personal. Click on Personal as the option that best describes your intended use of Miro. Next, you might see a drop-down labeled Choose an Option, which is meant to refine your experience even more by what specifically you're looking to do with Miro. Select an option that feels right for your plans. Afterward, click Continue to proceed. Miro might also present you with a screen suggesting you invite team members or explore other features. For now, you can click Skip for Now if you're not ready to dive into that. This will disrupt your sign-up process. You'll always have the chance to come back to this later once you're more familiar with the platform. And just like that, you've successfully created your Miro account. You're now ready to start exploring and utilizing the many features that Miro offers for collaboration and project management. If you have more questions or want to walk through other setups, check out our other videos. Thanks for listening and enjoy your new Miro account.